number 18, we have f of 1 is equal to 5. If x is multiplied by 4, then f of x is multiplied by 2. And they want us to come up with a power function for this. So my first step is going to be to find k using the homogeneity property. So it says if x is multiplied by 4, then f of x is multiplied by 2. So for here, I would take 4 raised to the k is equal to 2. So 4 raised to what is equal to 2? K in this case, or the exponent, would actually have to be a half. So k is equal to 1/2 because 1/2 is actually the same thing as taking the square root. So because 2 is the square root of 4, if you raise 4 to the 1/2 power, that does the same thing as taking the square root. So up to this point, for my answer, I have c x to the 1/2. So I still need to get what my c is. And in order to do that, I need to plug in a point. So I'm going to plug in 5, 1. So 5 is equal to c times 1 to the 1/2. So c is equal to 5 divided by 1 raised to the 1/2. Now 1 raised to the 1/2, or the square root of 1, is just 1, and 5 divided by 1 is just 5. So c is equal to 5. So for my final answer, it's going to be f of x is equal to 5x to the 1/2.